In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the tip calculation method on your Fresha dashboard. This simple setup will help you customize how tips are calculated, whether that's including tax or not, and ultimately streamline your sales operations based on your preference. First things first, you'll need to log into your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, take a look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a gear icon situated there which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to the main settings menu where you can modify various aspects of your account. Now, within the settings, what you're going to do is look for your sales settings. Keep an eye out for an option labeled Sales. Once you spot it, click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all things related to sales, including our focus today, tipping. As you move through the sales settings, turn your attention to the list on your left side. You should see an option for tipping. Click on that to open the tipping settings page. Here, you'll find all the options required to tailor your tipping process. Once you're on this page, locate the Edit button under the Tipping Options section. This button is your gateway to customizing how tips are calculated on your system. Give it a click to proceed further. Now scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Tip Calculation Method. This section is critical as it allows you to define if the tips will be calculated post-tax or pre-tax. Depending on your business needs or preferences, this option can be adjusted to reflect the most accurate calculation for your operations. If you're unsure, consider whether including tax in the tip calculation might more accurately represent your business needs. After you've made your desired selection, take a look at the top of the page. You're almost done, but to ensure that these changes take effect, you need to save your adjustments. Locate the Save button at the top and click it, and that wraps it up. You've successfully customized the tip calculation settings on your Fresha dashboard. Making these changes as per your preferences can help optimize sales reporting and enhance both customer and business experiences. If you decide to reassess your choices, you can always repeat these steps to make further adjustments. Thank you for watching, and remember that these little adjustments can truly make a big difference in the management of your business.